hair curling rods. I was sent a review from Scihood, so let's take a closer look and try them out. It comes with 30 of these hair curlers and a steel pintail comb. This is gonna help you both comb the hair and part it and get those strands out nicely. Each rod is just under 10 inches and are gonna be so twisty and flexible. Made of high quality rubber that won't damage your hair. Super soft, not grippy, just really smooth, very squishy, with a hidden steel rod inside, which is gonna help it keep the shape. They come in a ton of gorgeous colors. This is the purple set. I love it. The instructions are very simple. You're gonna use the rat tail comb to pull out a small strand of damp or dry hair. Wrap the hair around the curling rod a few times. Roll the curling rod up toward the scalp and bend the ends to hold the hair in place. Product page says these will do best on hair that's 70 to 80% dry after shampooing. And if you wanna use a hair dryer to apply heat, they will get the curl to act faster, but again, you can use these with no heat if you're wanting to avoid that. Once they're locked in, they are super secure. You could totally sleep with these in or wear them during the day. Woo! Look at that! Look, Daddy, look!
Oh,
Woo! Wrapping different amounts of hair and in different directions is gonna give you totally different looks, so play around with it, have some fun, and figure out which styles you like best. These are gonna help you to get curls and waves without damaging your hair with heat and without the risk of a curling iron. Oh my gosh, she looks like a movie star. Gorgeous. They're really easy to use, they won't damage your hair, and they give really fun results. I love these, and I know you will too.